Welcome again to another session of mathematics. We have a visitor here who comes information A. Simplify 27 1 over 4. 27 exponent 1 over 4 times 3 exponent 1 over 4 times into bracket root of 3 raised to power negative 2. Then we have log base 3 of 100 plus log base 3 of 0.81. Then in part B we have if n log base 5 of 125 equals log base 2 of 1024. Find the value of n. Okay, here's the question. And how do we go about it? Look here. Okay, solution. Okay, let's start with A, Roman 1, which wants us to simplify 27 raised to power 1 over 4 times 3 raised to the same power times the bracket root of negative 3 raised to power negative 2. Okay, this is the question which comes from exponent, and as I always say, anything to do with exponents has got two main rules. Rule number 1, make the powers the same, that is the exponents the same. And rule number 2, if the first rule doesn't work, then work on rule number 2, which you have to make the bases the same. So for this particular case here, we have different exponents. Here is 1 over 4, but here is negative 2. And for the case of bases, we have 27, we have 3, we have 3. So the easiest way to do is to write 27 in terms of 3. How do we do that? Take your 27, okay, divide by 3, you get 9, by 3, 3, by 3, it goes there once. So in other words, to write where there is 27, you can write it as 3. How many 3's are there? 1, 2, 3 raised to power 3. Okay, so this is what you have to write. But also you have to recall that a number, the square root of a number, equals that number raised to power half. Equals that number raised to half. So therefore, 27 raised to power 1 over 4 times 3, 1 over 4 times root of 3 into bracket negative 2 will be equal to 3 power 3 into bracket 1 over 4, then it times 3 1 over 4, okay, then times here it will be 3 power half into the bracket negative 2, which will be equal to here we write 3. Here we are multiplying the powers. 3 times 1 over 4, we get 3 quarters, that is 3 over 4. Then it times 3 1 over 4. Then it times 3. Here we do the same. We multiply a half by negative 2, which gives us power negative 1. Okay, which equals okay, I think I can squeeze it here. Sorry, let's squeeze it here. Okay, I think we have to recall the concept here. Maybe some people will not be having this concept of multiplying numbers having the same base but different exponents. Okay, so let's remind them before we proceed with start solving that if I have a power n, I multiply by a power m. Normally use this. This is the same as saying a power n plus m. So if you apply this concept, then our 3 power 4 power 3 over 4, 3 over 4, then it times 3 power 1 over 4 times 3 power negative 1 will become 3, then 1 in bracket. We shall say 3 over 4. We add 1 over 4. Then we add negative 1. Okay, like that. Which gives us 3. Okay, 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4 gives us 1. 1 minus 1 gives us 0. So therefore, if you simplify 27 power 1 over 4 times 3 power 1 over 4 times root of 3 raised to power negative 2, you get 3 power 0. Okay, and any number raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So this is our answer, and thank you for watching.